So this is the Creative Kit one. And what does he do? Does he give you lessons on drawing?
No, he just tells me what to draw.
Okay. Silly, isn't he? Okay. All right. It's kind of like watching a cartoon. And you interact with it.
Redraw the room. Draw a kitchen. Or explore the house. Okay. Let's make a kitchen.
All right. So let's see how it works when you draw.
It's making me hungry just thinking about it. Oh, how about some wallpaper first? Could you clear the board and draw your favorite snack?
Draw your favorite snack, huh? So does it give you a time or just let you... Oh, I see. When you're ready, you press OK on the screen. Looks like a cookie to me.
It's a cucumber with tahini.
Oh, okay. Press OK?
Wait.
Oh, when you're ready.
Yeah.
What's that?
50.
All right.
Oh, thanks. This looks fantastic.
Oh, so he grabbed what you drew and he made a... Oh, wow. He made a wallpaper with it. That's super cool. So the plant that you drew just now went up on the board that you can't see it because it has the speech bubble there. But he also said, okay, draw something next, and you chose teacup collection. So when you press OK, let's try to capture that and see how it puts it up there on the screen. It'd be kind of cool. I'm still getting used to how this works, huh? All right, let's try it. Press OK.
A masterpiece, as
Oh,
always.
there's the plant. Ah, look at that. He took it and he put it up on the wall. Oh, that's cool.